Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am down on the floor, and that is because I have all of this to go through, and I just want to make sure that I have enough room to kind of like spread out, unbox, show you without feeling like sometimes things can feel a little bit precarious, a little bit I don't know, topsy-turvy up there, and I definitely don't want to be topsy-turvy with this unboxing today. So I'm so excited to share with you. Without further ado, let's get into it. I think you could probably guess, take some stabs at what this item might possibly be, given the box shape. This is one that as soon as I saw it, I was like, I got a little cute note, and I think that's a drawing of the actual location where I shop. So sweet. I got the sweetest note from my client advisor. In here is the most beautiful scarf. I already have one of these cashmere scarves, but I wear it so much. It's amazing for travel. I don't want like so fresh. It's just like the perfect little neutral. And I think it says Hermes. I'm not gonna be able to like get it open big enough for you, but it's like a little bit pinky, a little bit neutrally. And each of the letters is like kind of abstract. Look at how gorgeous. Ooh, that was really pretty. I like that saddle one. Okay, so that is the first item. As I'm like, can you even see it? It's like a really pretty sort of like soft neutral color. And I think the nice thing about this is it will go with a bunch of different outfits. So when I went to London and Paris, when was it? This past spring, I brought another one of these scarves, and it was just like, for travel, it's just so good. I feel like my temperature regulation on planes is like, I'm always cold and then hot and whatever. And this is like warmer than a silk scarf, but like not too warm. It's still kind of like breathable. Sometimes I feel like in a silk scarf, it's like claustrophobic almost. Okay, did we get it folded properly again? Oh yeah, and the name, I think that'll be in here. It's equestrian letters, but in French. I'm not gonna try and read it, but it is natural beige and rose. So that's kind of like, I think, this little color here. Just kind of like a neutrally pinky color. It actually looks really good with this sweater. Okay, so that's the first little item. The second one is something, well, first of all, it shipped to me, so I hope it's still doing well. But it's something that I haven't acquired before from Hermes. And I was so excited when I saw it. It reminded me of, oh my gosh, my grandmother. It is this tea set. So I think I shared with you that my grandmother passed earlier this year. And one of the things that she loved to collect was Cornish ware, which is like English, Cornish, I don't know, UK, China, but it's blue and white. And she had like this beautiful blue and white tea set that went to someone else. It didn't go to me. I got other things from her. But oh my gosh, this foam is really stiff. I guess it's good. So this is a collection that Hermes has released before. It's called Blue Ateliers. Oh my gosh, the French, once again, this is what it's called. They had it pre-pandemic, and then they didn't have it for a long time, so it just re-released. But I think it's so cute. So I got a little, you know, this is something that I can sort of build over time. It doesn't need to be all at once. There's like dinner plates, sugar bowls, a bunch of things. So you can sort of build up your set over time. To start with 2, but I probably should have started with 4. But then here is my other little starting item. Oh yeah, oh, this is the receipt. So the scarf was 1,300, and then each of the teacup and saucers, I guess they're sold individually, but I got 2 for $2.90. And then this item, oh my God, it's bigger than I thought, is the matching teapot. So I want to have, my husband and I are going to have tea parties. How beautiful is that? And it has a built-in filter here. I guess it should. So this was $6.90. Oh my gosh. So it's just a little starter set. These are microwave safe and dishwasher safe. I don't think so. I don't think any teapot is really dishwasher safe, but yeah. So that is the cute little pickups that I did. I'm like, it's just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Right outside there was like a squirrel right at the window. It was like, it scared me. But yeah, that is what I picked up recently from Hermes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy unboxing videos, please give it a thumbs up. And then otherwise, we'll see you all in my next one. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.